Fellow Croatians, wherever you may be watching this in our homeland or around the world, I am Don Markušić. I was born in Zagreb but emigrated to Australia with my parents when I was just a year old. I completed a law degree at Monash University and worked as a lawyer. I also did a Master of Laws degree in Australia on the international recognition of Croatia before it was recognised. I returned to Croatia in 1996 with a desire to use my legal knowledge and experience to contribute to building a Croatia based on true democracy and capitalism. Since I got my law degree in Australia, I am the only lawyer in Croatia from the common law legal system, and my law firm with my partner Monika Maretić and our legal team is located on St. Mark's Square. Our legal practice includes commercial law, contract law, property and probate. I am founder and current president of ACAP Zagreb, the Association of Croatian American Professionals. I've been the president of the American Chamber of Commerce. I'm also founding president of the Asia Pacific Chamber of Commerce and vice president of Transparency International Croatia. I lecture to future ambassadors and diplomats at the Diplomatic Academy at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. I'm especially proud to be an honorary member of the Veterans Association of Ugledni. It is a great honor for me to be on a panel with Dr. Robert Harris, who wrote the definitive book on the Blessed Aloysius Stepinac. I'm actually addressing you on the feast day of Cardinal Stepinac, which is quite fitting because I would like to refer to his fundamental message that we must all fight against injustice, even when victory seems to be impossible. Last week, when the American ambassador, Mr. Robert Kohorst, gave a lecture at the Croatian Bar Association, he stressed that the Croatian judicial system is a huge impediment for investment. Court judgments are uncertain and court practice is not unified. At the conference, we will discuss concrete examples of legal cases and how to resolve them, not just in legal terms, but also how it is imperative that we fight together to improve the legal system. Together with our war veterans, we created the Croatian state when victory seemed impossible. But today, we celebrate together our sporting achievements in the world. We now have to again fight together to change our country for the better, even if it might look impossible, so that together we can enjoy a successful Croatia. We clearly cannot risk Croatia's future in the hands of politicians. Therefore, I invite you to come to the first Crodiaspora Summit from 21st to 23rd May in 2020 on the island of Brač, which will be held at the beautiful Supratrust Resort owned by our own returnee from the US, Marijan Dužić. Or watch the live streaming so that Croatians around the world and in our homeland can work together to make our Croatia a success, which means young people will no longer have to leave.